Hey, just want to make a quick video about my project. I just changed the coolant pipe on the N62. This is actually an E53 4.IS with the N62. It's pretty much the same engine in the E70. Some people choose to use like the collapsible water pipe, but somehow I decided to go with the original design, meaning like the straight pipe with no collapsible option. But I want to show you how involved this job is, and I would not recommend anybody to go this route next time, unless of course you have a lift and you can lift the car up and, I don't know, take the subframe out and go from underneath and remove all the parts. But if you don't have that option, I would say do not attempt to do it this way. As you can see, the water pipe is removed. And the shittiest design I've ever seen in an engine, where to remove the water pipe, you pretty much have to take the timing cover, which involve removing, like, of course, the right bank and the left bank, but also there is a lower timing cover that I'm covering the area used to be with some racks just to prevent dirt from going inside. But anyways, to remove the lower timing cover, you have to take the alternator bracket, which is kind of on the side here. Then it goes all the way underneath the engine. You can see the hole for it right there. And to remove the alternator bracket, of course, you're gonna have to remove the front differential. To get access to the front differential, you have to remove the axles. Some people actually remove the engine mounts, but I was able to get to the back of the engine without having to remove the engine mounts. I'm just gonna show you underneath what's involved in this shit job. Pretty much, as you can see right there, that's the hole where the axle goes in the front differential. The alternator brackets, I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it, but pretty much like to remove the front differential, there is 4 bolts that are holding it. This is one of the holes right there. There's one underneath there, it's hidden, and there is one on top and one at the bottom, but somehow the one on the top, it's impossible to get access to it without removing pretty much the sway bar, I don't know, man. I just removed pretty much everything from the underneath the engine, just so I get access to 2 bolts. But yeah, this is just a quick video. If somebody's attempting to replace the water pipe under, or the coolant pipe under N62, just be aware of what's waiting for you or what to expect. Unless you want to do it just the easy way using the collapsible pipe, then I don't think you have to remove all this stuff. But the other thing is, like, if your engine is kind of like leaking where the alternator bracket is, I'm pointing to it right now, I think you might as well just do 2 jobs at the same time, meaning replace your pipe, coolant pipe, and alternator bracket at the same time. So it's gonna, another area where the engine can potentially leak oil is where the axle shaft is, and everyone knows this it's actually not as hard to remove as the majority of people made it sound. It's yeah, I know, like it's really torqued really hard, but if you have a good impact wrench, you don't even have to. It took me 10 seconds to remove it. Anyways, just a quick video to show you how involved the job is, and good luck.